Hello and welcome to this next video for Miniature Tanks Company. In this assembly video we're going to be assembling this Belgian gate. So this one's maybe a little more complicated to put together, but here we go. So the first step of any kit, take all the sprue cuts and cut them away, and we'll set aside all the pieces. So there's the sprue cuts there, and there you go, making sure each piece is separated and able to be used just by itself. There you go. Now this piece here, put that away piece by piece, just freeing up these pieces from the sprues. That piece is done. So sprue there, a sprue there, and a sprue there. Alright. And then we got this sprue there. Careful when you're cutting these. Sometimes some pieces look like sprues when they're actually meant to be. Alright, so I think that's the cutting process. So now let's kind of get this gate together here. So here is this. So first of all, put some glue there and some glue there. I don't know if tweezers will help with this, but let's try to get those down there. Helped a little. There you go. So that's the way that piece should be looking. Very good. And then we got this piece here. Just put some glue there. So you can see where that piece went. Should be looking like this. And from that, why don't we go ahead and put this big front gate on, just to solve that. Just put a little glue there. And here's the big front gate. There we go. So now that helps us figure out some of the structure of this. As you can tell, I put a little piece of glue here, which didn't make sense. So take note of that. Doesn't hurt too much, anything, but alright, so there's that front part of the gate. So after this, what we have is needing to put some glue on these edges here. And then some glue there. And then let's put this piece like that. We'll try to just have a little more patience, get that glued down. Then while the other side's gluing just a bit, let's put this side here. There you go. Alright, so continuing on, we put those two little glue. We're going to try put that there. So you can see how that worked. And then we're going to, you see. Alright, next delicate task is putting some glue there. And some glue there. Now if you had a clamp, this probably would be a good time to use it. But for now I'm trying to just hold it to dry. Alright, so while those pieces are drying, let's put a little dab of glue there. Get this piece glued together. And then of course the next step, put a little glue like those. Maybe using a tweezers for this one. There you go. There's that piece, and we actually have this piece now, and this piece should go like that, so you can see how that works. So let's put glue there, and glue there. Like I said, this one can be a little more complicated, so you have to have some dexterity and skill to get this one done. Last but not least, here we go. This one put here, as you can. So let's get some glue there and some glue there. All right, holding that down, letting that dry and such. And there it is, the Belgian gate from Richard Tank's company. Thank you so much for watching.